At least 16 people were killed in floods caused by torrential rains in the U.S. state of Utah. 5 more are accounted for, most affected by the disaster Hilldale City on the border with Arizona with a population about 3 million people. According to local authorities, a strong wave hit the city from the flooded canyon. The flow of water from the road washed away 2 cars in which were people. Among the victims, 20 women and children. They were returning from a city park after the walk. 4 others are tourists found dead in Zion National Park. The search for missing persons will start after the water resets for a safe level.